Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is the first video I'm probably making that market closed. So I do not want to hear the part-timing jokes anymore, or part-timer jokes, you know. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna show you the bigger chart first, and then we can. So today we had that sell-off from the yellow that I showed you in the previous video, right? Um, so we sold off, and then market wants to grab that liquidity from here, right? Totally fine, but we didn't break through, right? So so market still, I guess, wants to grab that liquidity, right? But you can see that we are still in that pink, right? So we still have that ability to go up. I'm gonna delete all this, I'll make it nicer. Every freaking video, bro. Alright, so right, right. Um, so we just have to grab that liquidity, and we did close that cup, which I'm gonna show you in the 1 minute. But after we do, we're gonna close that bigger cup right here, and then same pink algo right here, and then grab more liquidity right here. Okay, so that's that, and it's also so you understand why this sell market opened lower, right? Because of this algo, and we broke that. Um, that's why we dropped, and also um, here. So because after the sell-off, we went back to the liquidity level right here, right? And we know this is gonna be the resistance because we have this algo as the resistance up here, right? This yellow. So here, we can take that trade at the break of blue, right? We have many opportunities to take this trade, right? One right here, one right here, right? One right here, and then this was the resistance right here, the yellow. Yeah, hopefully that was, but then the market, we just have to wait for the next structure, right? Then we saw this purple algo, same as the last video I told you about. This algo, it appeared again. So right here, we can try to catch some scalps. Also, this is a pretty nice trade to take. Double top, right? And then could take it all the way down right here, right? Then we see this purple algo, right? Break of purple right here. We could take that trade down there. Then we just have to wait. The market is chopping mostly, and then as you can see, we were also in this controlled blue algo, right? So this is controlled selling algo, right? And we were in that. So the market was either gonna break, right? Break this blue, or we were gonna complete this inverse cup right here and then form the handle, right? So but the market did break the blue, right? And here's the microstructure of entry, right here, right? Then you also notice this purple also being apparent here, right? Resistance up here. Just trade as the structure is demanded, right? And then we have multiple cups to close right here, right? Close the cup, then close a bigger cup right there, right? Then handles, and then we also noticed the pink algo right here, right? We have to identify for that, and then we also have to know how the liquidity would be grabbed, right? So it was gonna go like this, and it was gonna go like this. So it would have been an inverse cup, sorry, inverse head and shoulder, right? But we just didn't grab that liquidity right here, right? When we broke out of this right shoulder, we didn't grab that liquidity like I expected. So it was hard to get an entry right here, right? So I just didn't trade this at all. I just left it be, and it did close that cup. Now tomorrow we're gonna have to see if the handle does form, right? So if the handle, so I'm gonna show it to you in the 1 minute because it's much better. So price is gonna go like that, and then that, right? And then right, we're gonna have that green up top, right? Then we're gonna see another microstructure of blue, right? And then we're gonna use that, right? Then we're gonna head up and make new highs, and close the cup that we've been looking at sorry, I'm just so confused with the colors. Then we're gonna close the cup at like 518.53. I'm gonna show it to you in the 30-minute. So once we got that liquidity, right, we're gonna close that cup at 518.63 at that area, and then we're gonna form another handle and then take it on the microstructure right there, and then we're gonna make new highs possibly. But also this can be a major bear flag as well, and I'm gonna show you why. So in the daily chart, you can clearly see we can reject right here, right, and then drop right here. So we can potentially have a big drop, and then close the inverse cup right here, right? So there's still 2 scenarios pending. So Thursday, tomorrow, will be the defining day, hopefully, and we'll know which direction the market is heading. But yeah, and 5-day is moving up as well, so 5-day will be tested tomorrow, or yes, most likely tomorrow, or yeah, it's gonna be tomorrow. So let's see what 5-day says, right? If we reject 5-day, right? So let me show you how it look like if we reject 5-day, right? So we reject right here, then 5-day is gonna move up, right? Then it's gonna be a money structure. Then we're gonna form a head right here, and then push us all the way down right here, then push us down all the way here. So this can be a significant move tomorrow, so be prepared for the move. But again, if it does head up, we're gonna see the handle being formed, or if we even gap up tomorrow, we're gonna close that cup, wait for the handle, and then hopefully brings us up right here. But yeah, so let's just see what happens with the 5-day tomorrow and trade with the structured demands. Thank you guys, have a great day.